K22 installation tutorial.
Front lock, rear lock gasket, rear lock rubber pad, lock body screw, fixing screw, lock core, battery, lock cylinder screws, key, rubber cover, spring, square rod, screw tube, bamboo screws, data cable, IC card. Adjust the lock tongue according to the schematic diagram on the lock body. First, open the buckle. Rotating lock tongue. Press in the locking tongue. At this point, the tongue switch is completed. Tighten the front locking screw tube. Tighten the screw tube. Open the rear lock battery compartment cover. Install the locking gasket after installation. Install lock body. Tighten the fixing screws. Install lock cylinder. Tighten the screws. Measure the tail ruler on the lock cylinder and mark it according to the thickness of the door. The tail ruler on the lock cylinder should be 18 mm to 20 mm and cut off the excess part. Thread the bamboo screw through the rear lock washer and cut it according to the door thickness. The length of the bamboo screw should not exceed the outdoor door edge and be marked accordingly. Cut off the marked bamboo screw with pliers. Before installing the lock, please note, first thread the data cable through the door hole. Install the locking gasket after installation. Tighten the bamboo screws, but do not tighten them for later adjustment. Align the front and rear locks. Tighten the screws. Place the square rod, lock cylinder rod, and reverse lock rod at the center point of the circle on the rear bottom plate. Insert square rod. Measure the square pole from the door edge with a reserve length of 25 mm to 35 mm. Mark well and cut off the excess parts. Cut and lock the tailstock according to the door thickness, with a length not exceeding the outdoor door edge. Mark and cut off excess parts. Connect the power cord of the front lock with the cat's eyeliner. Insert the spring. Range the excess data cables and insert them into the door gap. Align the tail ruler of the square pole and place it on top. Tighten the fixing screws. Insert rubber stopper. Rear handle rebound test. Put in the battery. Cover the battery box cover. Press and hold the unlock